Welcome on my channel. In this video we go back to the formula of determinant and we have to find the minor and cofactor of an element of a matrix. Let us take a matrix 3 cross 3 having elements a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a32, a33. We know that its determinant is equal to, by assuming any row as a reference, let us take first row. In this case, let us take V first row as a reference. So first element is a11. We write a11 here. Now we observe that there is a problem of sign. Here we have some sign, and next we observe that this point, this element a11 multiplied with something, and this something is very important. Why it is important? Because again it involves a sign here, and this sign here we multiply it with minus sign, -1 raised to the row number plus the column number. We have row 1 and column 1. So we have in this position we have minus. We observe that this is always having positive sign. So in first element we have no need to write it here. So next we have -1 power 1 row and plus 1 column. As a11 lies in the first row and the first column, we raise -1 plus 1, and to find out what this is multiplied with, we include next the row and the column of the a11 and write the determinant of what remains. Determinant of this will equal a22. We have here, we exclude first row and first column, and the remaining part is multiplied with opposite a22 multiplied by a33 plus, we write here simply as a22 a33 minus a32 a23 into a32. This will the first part of this determinant, this formula, and two elements remains in the first row, a12 and a13. a12 multiplied with -1 plus a12 multiplied with -1 power 1 plus 2, first row second column. And next we have, if we observe that this is first row and second column, so we neglect first row and second column. So we have points here for multiplication: a21, a33 minus a23 and a31. Similarly, we can write last element. At the end we have an element 13 in the first row, a13 multiplied with -1 power 1 plus 3 and having elements, neglecting this row and this column, we have these remaining elements multiplied 2a21 into a32 minus a22 into a31. This formula just have a bit more detail in this formula. For the element a11, this part is called minor. Minor of a11, and this entire part is called cofactor. Cofactor of a11. This is minor of a11 and this is cofactor of a11. Similarly, this is minor of a12 and this is cofactor of a12. Similarly, this is minor of a13 and this is cofactor of a13. The easy way to remember this is by knowing that minor means small and the smaller part is minor and the bigger part, smaller part is minor and bigger part is cofactor. Every element in this matrix has a minor and a cofactor. Similarly, we can find minor and cofactor of all elements of determinant. Similarly, we can find minor and cofactor of all elements in this determinant.